So, in today's video, it's Forbes versus Binance, and a boxing match so shocking, allegations you may or may not want to believe. So, call your legal team because you don't want to miss this. When you are the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange in a largely unregulated market, it's easy to make up the rules as you go. In its latest backroom maneuver in the midst of the FTX scandal, according to Forbes, Binance transferred, get this, $1.8 billion in stablecoin collateral to hedge funds, including Alameda and Cumberland, leaving its other investors exposed. So, late last year, as crypto markets were struggling to regain their footing, the world's largest, biggest cryptocurrency exchange quietly moved $1.8 billion of collateral meant to back its customer stablecoins, putting the other assets to other disclosed uses. They did this without informing their customers. According to blockchain data examined by Forbes, from August 17th to early December, about the same time FTX was imploding, holders of more than get this, billion of crypto known as B-peg USDT tokens were left with no collateral for instruments that Binance claimed would be 100% backed by whichever token they were pegged to. B-peg USD tokens are digital replicas of USDC, a dollar-pegged stablecoin issued by Boston-based Circle Finance. And so, Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao took to Twitter, dismissing the claims made by Forbes. In a rebuttal, he accused the news outlet of lots of accusatory questions with negative spins and intentionally misconstruing the facts. You're right. I'm reluctantly spending time on FUD. Again, Forbes wrote another FUD article with lots of accusatory questions with negative spins, intentionally misconstruing the facts. They refer to some old blockchain transactions who our clients have done. This is February the 28th, 2023. And so Forbes has accused Binance of backroom maneuvers. Say what? Claiming the exchange transferred, again, $1.78 billion in stablecoin to hedge funds. Binance, what are you doing? Why are you transferring customers' funds in this manner? Forbes, yet again, investigated the on-chain activities of Binance and discovered that the exchange transferred $1.7 billion in user funds to various hedge funds. The article reveals that Changpeng Zhao led exchange completely emptied its collateral for the B-peg USDC without reducing its supply. But the community suspects Forbes of spreading fear, uncertainty, and doubt, FUD, against Binance. Let's take some time to mention our sponsors. VirSymPay is a merchant-based processing platform similar to Stripe and PayPal. If you're looking to accept credit card payments or ACH payments in your business, VirSymPay is the way to go. Another sponsor is VirSymCoin, the premier cryptocurrency exchange. If you're looking to purchase Bitcoin or other crypto, VirSymCoin is your place. I'll post a link to the website below. And finally, for those comic and manga lovers, Damien Angelic is your manga. Join Jahara on his quest to unravel the mysteries of the Negesis Shard. I'll post a link to the description below. Binance breaking its own rules? Binance issued a B token to facilitate the usage of other blockchain tokens in the BNB chain. The exchange is supposed to issue B tokens only after storing 100% collateral of the original token. For example, for every 100 B USDC, it must have 100 USDC as collateral. Is that right? However, the exchange broke its own rules on August the 17th, withdrawing 3.6 billion. Whoa. Take a minute, time out. From its Peg wallet to the Binance 8 Cold wallet, it then returned 1.85 billion to the Peg wallet, but transferred the remaining 1.7 billion to a Binance 14 Cold wallet. Later, the exchange distributed the funds to a trading firm, Cumberland, Amber Group, Alameda Research, and Tron founder Justin Sun. A Binance spokesman clarified in January that the Peg funds were mistakenly moved to cold wallets. Yeah, right. Mistakenly moved to cold wallets, Binance. Really? Patrick Hillman, the chief strategy officer of Binance, told Forbes that there was no commingling and it was a normal business conduct. Normal for who? Criminals? When Binance withdrew 1.7 billion USDC on August 17th, it did not decrease the supply of the BUSDC. The collateral fell to zero and the exchange did not correct it for months. Wow! Are you kidding me? The article also states that the BUSDC was deficient by, get this, over 1 billion on 3 different occasions. Come on! Forbes believes Binance is misusing customers' funds, similar to the bankrupt exchange FTX. Oh, that's just me. There's no real echo. Forbes versus Binance? But on various occasions, the community has pointed out that the publication has a soft spot for Sam Bankman-Fried while triggering FUD against Changpeng Zhao last year. Crypto lawyer, Arena Heaver, tweeted that Forbes is reporting lies and misinformation. Also, Zhan sued Forbes for defamation and later dropped the case in 2020. So this is Dario Roberts, CEO. If you like today's content, please give us a like and also smash the subscribe button. It gives you updates whenever we release new content.